Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you step by step on how to fill out the DBT JRF application form correctly to avoid mistake and ensure a smooth submission. As most of you know, Biotechnology Eligibility Test is a national level entrance examination for award of DBT JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship for pursuing research in areas of biotechnology. So if you want to pursue a career in biotechnology research with funding, then the DBT JRF exam is your gateway. Who can apply then? As per the eligibility criteria mentioned in DBT JRF notification, candidate must hold BE or BTech degree in biotechnology or an MSc or MTech or MVSc degree in various biotechnology specialization. There is an age limit to write this exam and it is 28 years for general category and there is a few years relaxation for the other categories. If you are into this, then we'll proceed for applying for it. Before that, keep scanned copy of the documents ready like Aadhaar card or PAN card or passport as identity proof, recent passport sized photograph of size 10 to 100 KB in JPEG format, your signature of size 4 to 100 KB in JPEG format, category certificate if applicable of size 30 to 150 KB in PDF, PWD certificate if applicable of size 50 to 300 KB in PDF, certificate for appearing or result awaited candidates of size 50 to 300 KB in PDF, 10 certificate of size 50 to 300 KB in PDF. Once these documents are ready, then go to DBT JRF official website or just search DBT Exam 2025. Then click on NDA Exam website. Once it opens, click on Inviting Online Application for Biotechnology Eligibility Test 2025. This is a home page where you will find all the important details related to the exam. Click on this link. After clicking on the link, this is a screen that appears. Here, click on this green button, that is New Candidate Register here. Next, this page will open where you have to click on this Download Information Bulletin button to download it, where you can see detailed information about the exam. Then scroll down, tick on I have downloaded the information and press click here to proceed button. In the next page, select any identity proof, preferably Aadhaar card, for verification purpose at different stages of exam. Fill the number and click on Generate OTP button. You will get a OTP in your mobile. Type that OTP, then click on Validate OTP. Once you click it, you will reach this page. Here you have to fill personal information like your name, your parent name, your mobile number, email address, another identity proof, your address and set a strong password. After that, click on Submit button. Now review the information that you have already uploaded, then tick all these particulars and tick I agree and click on Submit and Send OTP button. After clicking, this is the page that appears. Click on OK button. Now OTP has sent to your updated email address. Check your mail for OTP and enter OTP. Then enter security pin given there and click on Verify button. Now your application number and password will be sent to your mail. Verify it first and then enter application number and password, then enter security pin and click on Login button. Now you are registered successfully. Next, click on Complete Application Form. Then check the address, enter CAPTCHA, click I agree and click on Save and Next. Now your contact details saved successfully. Next, click OK button and fill the other personal details like nationality, state, identity type, its number, category, etc. Next, enter CAPTCHA, click I agree and click on Save and Next. Now your personal details saved successfully. Now enter course details like type of exam, question paper medium and then select first, second, third and fourth exam state and city, qualification and occupation of father and mother. Next enter CAPTCHA, click I agree and click on Save and Next. Now your exam center details saved successfully. Now click OK and fill your qualification like exam status, name of program, institute and university name. Next, enter CAPTCHA, click I agree and click on Save and Next. Now qualification details saved successfully. Click on OK button. Now upload required documents like passport size photo, signature, MSc and 10th marks card. After uploading everything, click on Save and Next button. Now your document saved successfully. Now verify every detail and press click here button for mobile verification. Now enter your mobile number and CAPTCHA and then click on send OTP. Now enter OTP and CAPTCHA and click on verify OTP. Now your mobile number is verified. Now you reach this page. Here click on complete application form. Then verify every details and click on final and submit. Now you will get this interface where you have to click on all particulars and click on final submit. Now your application form submitted successfully. Now the last step, that is payment. You can pay online by clicking pay now button. Now select the bank and enter detail correctly and click on make payment. Now enter OTP and click submit. Now the payment is successful. Then click on go to dashboard button and download the confirmation page for future use. Yes, now you are successfully applied for DBT exam. Now is the time to prepare for the exam. All the best for everyone. That's all for today. If you have found this helpful, like, share and subscribe for more exam related updates. Comment below if you have any question. I will be happy to help you. Thank you.